So let's look at what has a cult following in my store. These are the products that have been around for quite a while, and they have a cult following. What'll happen here in the store is, and I can tell you these stories because I'm in the store, right? What'll happen in the store is, all of a sudden, over the course of 3 to 6 months, 3 or 4 or 5 people will come in the store and ask for some new nutrient. Oh my God, do you got rock? Oh my God, do you got the Kush girl, Cushman, Kyle Cushman. He's got Vega Matrix. People come in and they talk to me about organics, and I go, GO, General Organics, oh no, or whatever other brand they're talking about. I go, no. Let me tell you why I only stock one brand of organic in my store, one brand. And they go, why? I go, because in all the land, there is no better organic product than Vega Matrix. Now, why do I do that? Because what the fuck am I going to do with 2 brands of organics to rot on the shelf? At least if I have one, the bottles get out of here before they go bad. It's organic. So I just tell them this is the most popular, whatever. I mean, it's only 1 out of 100 customers. And they have no faith in what they know because I say anything and they go, okay, I'll buy that. So what are the true cult products? Clonex rooting gel. This is that purple stuff, right? I don't care what size you buy it in, the 15 mil packet, the 100 mil, you know what I mean? The 100 mil, the 100 mil little bottle, the 250 mil. That's just based on volume. Again, Great White seems to be the best microbes by about this much. Oh, you guys come in about recharge. You want that Azos and Bezos microbes. 5 years ago, 10 years ago, you used to want the GH subculture B and subculture M. Occasionally, you guys want the advanced nutrients. God, what the fuck is that trifecta what is that nonsense? It's tarantula, piranha, and Yoass stink, I think is what the third one was. And they have 3, I mean, leave it to advanced nutrients. Even Azos and Bezos has 2 products. And so, microbes, the best one by about this much. Okay, this is Bushload. There used to be a product called Gravity from Emerald Harvest, Emerald Triangle. Gravity was paclobutrazol. Paclobutrazol is a chemical. I don't really care where you get paclobutrazol from. It's like all the nutrients in the store. It's nitrogen, man. Check the periodic table. There's only like 2 or 3 forms. So when one of you fools think you know something about nitrogen, you're like, oh, this form is better than that form. I go, listen, there's like 3 forms of nitrogen, and there's 250 nutrient manufacturers. What do you think the probability is that 249 of them are using the 2 that you don't like, and only one of them is using the thing you think you know? What do you think that probability is? It's 0. It's all the same shit. Basically, there's Miracle Grow just for your lawn, which has so much nitrogen in it, it just makes your plants soft and fall over, and you can't take cuttings. Wait, that fly is so fucking big, Chuck. It's like a bee. So, yeah, recharge. So there's So there's a product called Gravity, paclobutrazol. This has paclobutrazol. It's the new Gravity. This is a GH product, but it's paclobutrazol. This is paclobutrazol. It's phospholode. This is paclobutrazol and dimethazolamine, I think, are the two things. But these are the 2 products in the plant growth regulator category that everybody buys. Gravity, I know it says Bushload. Gravity, so this is G10. This is Emerald Harvests. I remember when I bought all of the Gravity off the internet from everywhere. I bought all of the Gravity and we just sold it off in the store over 2 years. We just jacked up the price. I bought the rest of it. And so, oh yeah. In fact, what I did was we had an empty bottle. We had a a bottle of gravity we put a pump on at the front of the store that we filled with water, and then we put the gravity in a container that we'd pump it out. And Kyle didn't know that's what we did, so he sold people gravity that was straight water at the front of the store. One day I'm like, what are you doing? While he was pumping, he's like, I'm selling some gravity. So I stopped that transaction. I got real gravity, and then we talked about it later. Okay. That was funny. I forgot about that. And so he was selling water. Okay. So gravity is that product, G10. And I remember when the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, told Emerald Harvest, Humboldt County's own. Emerald was their line, I guess. Humboldt County's own. When they told them no more shipping, and they had like 12 cases, it was like locked down on their dock for a long time. Okay, this is Roots Accelerator. It has become enough of a product that GH has decided to replicate it with Rapid Start. Rapid Start is maybe 35-40% less. I still probably have 5 bottles of Roots Accelerator to 1 bottle of Rapid Start, because it outsells everything else. Now, this is not a rooting hormone. It does not start roots like Clonex. It's a hormone that locks into the roots that increases the roots. So where this starts the roots, this you have to have roots for. This is CalMag and Flora Nectar. CalMag from Botanicare, Flora Nectar from GH. Used to be 2 separate companies, now both owned by Hawthorne. But these are the products right here, the most popular products in all the land. In terms of these aren't, there's none of these, if you'll notice, are nutrients. In terms of nutrients, probably Fox Farm, Botanicare, because they both have 1 parts, and then that GH 3 part. But that's the order of which things probably get sold, is like probably Botanicare, Fox Farm, then GH 3 part. I mean, everything else is just nutrients in my bathroom. Nobody ever asked for Canna. Nobody ever asked for Canna or House and Garden. Nobody ever asked for that shit. That stuff's silly. That stuff was 1984. Oh, Chuck.
Once in a blue moon, I got some old guys asking for House and Garden. Vendischwan.
Vendischwan. You know, they sold because you couldn't ship their nutrients from
Canada, or where were they?
It wasn't Canada, like Netherlands maybe?
All right.
Something like that, but it was some sort of...
It was made up in the Swiss Alps.
Yeah, some sort of second world country. Oh, Hygrozyme. Hygrozyme. That's a good one. That's another one. That's a moderately popular one, Hygrozyme.
Eats up the roots? The dead roots?
Yeah, it breaks down stuff in the media, but who cares? I mean, I couldn't imagine. I'm sure a touch of Hygrozyme is worth 1%. 1%.